Automotive and commercial locksmith services in Hayden. Vehicle locksmith services. Automotive lockouts. Locked your keys in your vehicle at Hayden Meadows, the Hayden Recreation Center, or anywhere in Hayden. Our mobile locksmith service responds quickly with damage-free vehicle unlocking for all makes and models. Car key replacement and programming. Modern vehicles require specialized equipment and expertise for key services. We provide complete automotive key solutions. Transponder key programming, chip keys. Remote key fob replacement and programming. Smart key systems. Traditional key cutting. Broken key extraction. Ignition repair and replacement. Key stuck in ignition services. All vehicle types. Domestic vehicles, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. Import vehicles, Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Nissan. Luxury vehicles, BMW, Mercedes, Audi. Trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Motorcycles and powersports. Visit the link in the description below for more information.